Welcome to the Recipes and Histories channel. We are in Dyer, Indiana at the Texas Roadhouse. Okay, we are here with Phil Mc Intosh with a degree in agriculture and 40 years in the livestock industry. And he's about to have two steaks here at the Roadhouse. They're cool. So what do you got there, Phil?
I've got the 16-ounce Fort Worth ribeye unboned, and you've got the 20-ounce bone-in ribeye.
Nice. And so what's the difference between these two, like cattle lines?
Yeah, just basically this one just has the bone. This is the main section of the meat on the steer and things where the loin section goes in. So these are the main sections, and this one just has a bone, and this one they've cut the bone out of it.
Very good. And same kind of cow?
Oh yeah, same kind of cattle.
All right, man. Dig in.
Either a steer, probably a steer or a heifer, whichever one. The steer, by the way, is the male that they've castrated the bull to make a steer out of him. And those are the ones they feed out, and same with the heifers like that. So if they aren't kept for rebreeding, then they have that. So I'm going to try a little bit of Mark's piece here. Talk about melting in your mouth. Excellent.
Right, and that was medium.
Mine's also medium. Let's give this a shot here. A 16-ounce Fort Worth ribeye. Oh, let me tell you, that is awesome.
So what's the difference from how would you prepare pork to how you would prepare steak?
Well, really, there's really not a whole lot of difference with it. You know, people want to cook pork too much, and they dry it out too much. The difference in beef versus pork is that beef has marbling and it has more of the fat in it, whereas pork, most of the fat you'll find is on the outside of the meat. So that's why you want to be careful, especially with pork, that you don't overcook it. And with the steak is that the best thing is to broil it, so that if you are watching your calories or are watching some of your cholesterol, that it kind of broils more of that fat out, but at least it provides it with a more juicy, more flavorful taste to it. In beef there's several different grades. Your prime beef, this may be prime beef. This is so good because it's just so out of this world. And then most of your meat is choice, and then it goes down from there. But most of the steaks you're going to get are either choice, or if they're really good, then prime.
Cool. So out of a scale of 1 to 10, man, what do you think?
Oh, this is at least 11.
That's awesome.
At least 11. And again, we always remember in our videos here, folks, that we always review places that have real food. And what we have here, this is real food. This isn't fricasseed hummingbird wings and a delicate roulade sauce kind of thing that you spend $80 a piece for it and you walk out and go to McDonald's kind of thing. We won't review those kind of places. If you like that, that's good, but you got to respect ours. This is what we do. We like that. And it helps if it has a nice particular ambiance to it, like this place here. If you can take a pan around here, you can see the ambiance of the place, just like Hog Wild was over there. And you'll find that it's a very nice ambiance, and especially, most importantly, that the food is excellent.
Man,
good place, great place for the money. You definitely won't get a bum steer here. So very good.
Well, there you go. Thank you again for watching the Recipe and History channel. Adios, amigos.